Hello friends and followers. Well, here's a quick look at the Cushman. This is a CE6, I think, that I picked up a little while back at a amateur video fest here in Texas. It's actually a CE-6A. This thing does receive. I've been trying to get it to transmit and generate a signal, and it doesn't do that very well. So I'll give a demo of what I found so far. So if I say ask this thing for 5 megahertz here, there's 5 megahertz, and you can see the lock light is not unlocked, so it is locking. So that's reasonable. Anyway, if I put it on the pad here, and it's cranked all the way up, and I go to generate, you will see that I do get a signal, which is wobbly. It doesn't match the requested frequency, but it does follow it. So I can say go to 6 megahertz here, and it goes up basically 1 megahertz, but I don't get what I really ask for. So it's sort of working. And if I decrease the level here, it'll fade out to nothing. So that's working. However, I should get the same thing out of the high signal, the wideband amplifier here. And if I go there to the wideband amplifier, I don't get anything. So that's not working. So yeah, there's some flaky problems in it. Apparently there's a fuse on this amplifier, and I think there's a fuse here too, but this apparently works a bit. So I got some investigating to do. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this thing is complicated. It's fearsome, actually. I got to open it up and see what it looks like in there. I have the manual for it, and I've been looking at that. In fact, here's the manual. It's a huge manual. I was lucky I got the manual with this thing. If you don't get the manual, I don't know how you're going to fix the damn thing. All right. So yeah, it describes it pretty well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.